Ramp up your cooking, foraging and using wild ramps. Ready to discover a delicious, garlicky secret hiding in the woods? Let's learn how to responsibly forage and cook with wild ramps. Get ready for a flavor explosion. Ramps are wild onions with broad, smooth leaves and a distinct garlic onion aroma. They grow in shady, moist woodlands in early spring. Be absolutely sure of your identification before harvesting. Look for clusters of 2 to 3 broad, green leaves emerging from the ground. Crush a leaf, the unmistakable garlicky scent is your confirmation. Avoid harvesting if you're unsure. Sustainability is key. Only harvest from large patches and take no more than 5% of the ramps. This ensures the patch can regenerate for future years. Dig carefully with a trowel, taking only the bulb and leaving the roots intact whenever possible. Remember, responsible foraging protects our wild resources. Ramps are incredibly versatile. Use them like garlic or onions in your favorite recipes. Sauté them, grill them, or pickle them for a unique flavor boost. Try adding chopped ramps to scrambled eggs, pesto, or soups. The possibilities are endless. Their pungent flavor adds a delicious kick to any dish. Now you know how to forage and cook with wild ramps. Get out there, explore responsibly, and enjoy this delicious spring delicacy. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more foraging tips, and share your ramp recipes in the comments below. Happy foraging and happy cooking!